In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook look like Mail and Calendar 5 minutes. If you've ever wished Outlook felt as clean and streamlined as the Mail and Calendar apps, you're in the right place. The trick is to switch Outlook to a simpler toolbar so you see only the essentials, with more room for your messages and your schedule. It takes just a moment, and you can switch back anytime. Start by opening Outlook. Use the desktop app you normally work in and sign in as you usually do. Give it a second to load your mail. Once you're in, look to the very top of the window for the row of tabs. This is the area that includes options like Home, Send, Receive, and View. We're going to work from there. Click the View tab. Think of the View tab as your control center for how Outlook looks and feels. Everything related to layout, reading panes, and toolbars lives here. If your window isn't maximized and you don't immediately see View, try expanding the window so all the tabs are visible. With the View tab open, look for the option labelled Ribbon. Depending on your screen size, it may appear on the right side of the toolbar, sometimes as a drop down or button. This control manages how many commands appear across the top of Outlook. Clicking it reveals your choices for how detailed or minimal you want the interface to be. Choose Simplified Ribbon. The moment you select it, Outlook will condense the toolbar into a cleaner, single-line layout that shows only the most common actions, with extra commands surfacing contextually when you need them. You'll notice more breathing room in your mailbox and calendar, fewer distractions, and a layout that closely mirrors the mail and calendar experience. This is especially helpful on smaller screens or when you want to focus on content rather than controls. Take a second to explore. Compose a message, switch to your calendar, and hover over commands to see quick labels. You'll still find everything you need, just presented more intelligently. If you rely on specialized tools for advanced workflows, don't worry. Those options are still available behind the scenes, and you can access them via the drop-downs or by expanding sections when needed. If at any point you miss the full toolbar, simply return to the View tab, open the ribbon control again, and switch back to the classic layout. But for most day-to-day email and scheduling, the simplified view delivers a smoother, more focused Outlook, very much like Mail and Calendar, only with Outlook's power still at your fingertips.